Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books. Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Bandara. Today I invite you on an exciting journey into the world of DevOps. In this enlightening video, I'll present you with a comprehensive introduction to DevOps, its essence, significance, and countless ways it can revolutionize organizations for better. So get ready to discover DevOps power and potential. DevOps is a combination of two terms, development and operations. It is a software development approach that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and integration between development teams and IT operation teams. The primary goal of DevOps is to break down the traditional silos between these two teams and create a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. In the past, development and operation teams often worked in isolation, leading to challenges such as longer release cycles, frequent errors during deployments, and lack of communication between teams. DevOps aims to bridge this gap by promoting a collaborative and streamlined approach to software development and delivery. Here are some of the key principles of DevOps. First, culture of collaboration. DevOps emphasizes the importance of breaking down silos between development, operations, and other stakeholders. It promotes a culture of collaboration, shared responsibility, and mutual respect among team members. Second, continuous integration, CI. Continuous integration is the practice of frequently integrating code changes from multiple developers into a central repository. It ensures that the changes are tested and validated early and often, preventing integration issues and enabling fast feedback. Third, continuous delivery, CD. Continuous delivery extends continuous integration by automating the release process. It aims to have the software in a releasable state at any given time. By automating deployments, organizations can release software quickly, reliably, and with minimal manual intervention. Fourth, automation. Automation is a fundamental principle of DevOps. By automating repetitive and manual tasks, team can increase efficiency, reduce errors, and free up time for more valuable work. Automation tools are used for tasks like building, testing, deployment, and monitoring. Fifth, continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring involves collecting and analyzing data from production environments to gain insights into the performance, stability, and user experience of the software. It helps to identify issues, improve system reliability, and enables proactive decision making. Sixth, infrastructure as code, IAC. Infrastructure as code treats infrastructure provisioning and configuration as software development. It allows teams to define and manage infrastructure resources using code, making the process repeatable, version controlled, and automated. These principles are not exhaustive, but they provide a foundation for understanding the core values and practices of DevOps. Organizations can tailor and adapt these principles based on their specific needs and context to foster a successful DevOps culture. DevOps principles and practices are adopted by a wide range of organizations across various industries. While originally popularized by technology companies and startups, DevOps has gained widespread adoption in enterprises of all sizes. Apart from technology companies, sectors like e-commerce and retail, financial and banking, healthcare and life sciences, telecommunications and manufacturing, and lastly, government agencies that rely on software development and delivery can benefit from implementing DevOps principles. The flexibility and scalability of DevOps practices make them applicable to a wide range of sectors and businesses. We'll see who are DevOps engineers and what it takes to become one. DevOps engineers are professionals who specialize in implementing and managing DevOps practices and tools within an organization. They bridge the gap between software development and operation teams, working to automate and streamline the software delivery process. DevOps engineers typically have a strong background in software development, system administration, and infrastructure management. Their responsibilities may include: number one, collaborating working with development and operation teams to understand requirements and optimize workflows. Number 2, designing and implementing continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. Number 3, automating infrastructure provisioning, configuration management and deployment processes. Fourth, managing and monitoring cloud infrastructure and containerization platforms. Fifth, implementing and integrating DevOps tools for secure control, build automation, testing and deployment. Sixth, troubleshooting and resolving issues related to build, deployment and production environments, ensuring security and compliance practices are integrated into the DevOps workflow. Finally, conducting performance monitoring and optimization of systems and applications. As for courses, there are numerous educational resources available to learn DevOps concepts, tools and practices. DevOps Foundation Certification by DevOps Institute, AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Professional by AWS, Docker Mastery by Brett Fisher, Infrastructure as Code by HashiCorp and many more. It's important to note that while courses provide structured learning, hands-on experiences and practical application of DevOps principles in real-world scenarios are equally important. Building personal projects, contributing to open source projects and participating in DevOps focused communities can further enhance your skills and knowledge as a DevOps engineer. Now let us see the tools these DevOps engineers utilize. DevOps employs a wide range of tools to automate, integrate and streamline software development and deployment. Here are some commonly used tools in the DevOps ecosystem. Jenkins, Travis CI, GitLab CI/CD. These are cloud-based CI/CD platforms that integrate well with GitHub, making it easy to build, test and deploy projects. From a cloud perspective, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform offer a wide range of services for computing power, storage, database management and more. There are many monitoring and logging tools like Prometheus, Grafana, ELK Stack and many others. In summary, DevOps is a collaborative and iterative approach to software development and operations. It breaks down barriers between teams, promotes continuous integration and delivery, emphasizes automation and infrastructure as code, and ultimately enables organization to deliver high quality software faster and more efficiently. Thank you for watching this introduction to DevOps. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more informative content. In this week's book recommendation, I would recommend Chetan Bhagat's One Arranged Murder. What a thrilling and suspenseful crime mystery book. It hooks you completely. This is the fastest book I have ever read. If you love investigation related books, then you must go and grab this book. So that's it for this week. See you in my next video. Bye.